Welcome back to my third and stream summary short. I totally didn't skip the last one. We played Pokemon Colosseum. We only did Mount battle things. We got all the way to the boss, which took me like an hour just trying to catch an Entei because I kept dying to Earthquake from some camel Pokemon. So did that, was pretty challenging. Had to restart a good amount of times, but I caught the Entei in the end, right as I was gonna leave. Also, I just realized my model has my eye patch on the wrong eye. That's not right. What else? It was just a short morning stream. What else happened? Oh yeah, we talked about how Bluey is the better blue dog compared to Blue's Clues dog.